Mean and median are two measures of center we use quite a bit in statistics, so it's good to know how to find those if those are just the pieces we want to identify from a set of raw data. So here we've got some exam score data. I'm not going to show you how to enter those into the list. There's a separate video for that, but let's suppose it's already in one of our lists, and I'll kind of show you where that is. So click on stat, and then we can hit enter right away, and we see that we've got the same numbers here in our list. I already put those into list 1. So those are in list 1, so we're going to go ahead and find our mean and median. So if we hit stat and then scroll to the right, the very first thing we see under calc is one var stats, one variable stats. So if we click on that, depending on your calculator, it'll either ask you, hey, which list do you want, or it will bring you back to the main screen. So in this case, we're going to say, okay, I want list 1. That's where I put my exam data. The frequency list, that'll be something we use for a weighted mean, but not for a regular mean or median. There are other situations we may use that frequency list, but for right now, we just have a regular old list of data. So we're going to leave frequency list blank, and we're going to calculate this. And again, if you have TI83 or other versions of the 84, you might have to tell it that you want list 1 or list 2 or whatever, wherever you put this. All right, so the very first thing listed here, X bar, this is our mean. So 78.214, etc. So our mean is going to be 78. I'm just going to round to 2 decimal places here, but depending, make sure that you're careful about reading the directions and figuring out how many decimal places you need. So 78.21. The median, well, if we look down our list, we see a lot of things here. Some of these will be described in other videos. But right now we're just looking for median. I don't know, none of those quite look like a median, but we see this arrow. It says keep going down. There's more information. So let's scroll down. We can just use the arrow key to scroll down. See min, Q1, med, Q3, max, and then that's basically as far as it goes. Okay, well, all of this stuff is really only one thing that jumps out as maybe an obvious candidate for median. That's the MED, median, so 81.5 is our answer there. And there you have it. We've got our mean and median, and almost all of the other pieces there are going to be described in other videos. So if you're curious about the other outputs for one variable stats, look at some of the other videos.